Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For this episode, I'm going to try to make the famous sotanghon of Nanay Rosa in Quiapo, Manila. Let's start by parboiling the pork meat and bones. Boil the water, then add salt and ginger, followed by the picnic shoulder meat and pork bones. Then add the vinegar. After 5 minutes, I flip the pork shoulder that is not submerged with water so that all the impurities will come out. After 10 minutes, I took the pork meat and bones, then washed thoroughly. Let's make a pork broth. Heat the pan, then add oil. While the oil is not yet hot, add the garlic. Saute the garlic until aromatic, followed by the shallots or any onions that you have. Then season with ground pepper and fish sauce. After adding the fish sauce, allow first to evaporate the fishy smell of the fish sauce or patis before adding the parboiled meats. Then add the parboiled pork shoulder and pork bones. Saute good to absorb all the good flavors. After the good saute of the parboiled meats and bones, add the water, the bundle of green onions, crushed garlic, pounded lemongrass, and whole peppercorn. Add water until it covered the meats. When it's starting to boil the mixtures, then set the heat to the lowest setting and slow cook overnight. The next day, I dissolved the annatto powder in a liquid, then added to the pork broth. In a wok, I saute lots of garlic until aromatic. Then add the shallots, season with freshly ground pepper. Then add the fish sauce. Allow first to evaporate the fishy smell of the fish sauce before adding the pork broth. After adding the pork broth, I wash with water the annatto seed that is soaked in lye water. Disregard the first wash, then add water again, strain straight to the wok. Allow to boil. When it's boiling, I added shrimp balls. You can also add fish balls, any meat balls, or squid balls. When your meatballs is already cooked, add the vermicelli or sotanghon noodles. When the vermicelli or sotanghon noodles is cooked, then add other ingredients or flavorings like toasted garlic, green onions, napa cabbage, hard-boiled eggs, freshly ground pepper, and salt. You may also add all-purpose seasoning like magic sarap or MSG if you like.
Perfecto! Good!
Here's my own version of the famous Sotanghon of Nanay Rosa in Quiapo, Manila. Yummy! Gonna get an egg. Shrimp balls. The soup. Top with this adobong baboy. Adobong baboy. An additional soup. Then green onion. Little of this, love garlic, and if you're gonna get the overload, which is this one with egg and the pork, there's a free putong puti, but I think Nanay Rosa is bigger than puto. Okay? Guys, with calamansi or lemon juice. Of course, calamansi is pepper. Soup muna. Adobo. Very flavorful. The shrimp ball, my favorite. Actually, I'm putting on this one. I think they're small servings, just like same of this. Very small. The secret of good soup is cooking the pork meat in slow cooking overnight. Good. This is good for cold season, just like nowadays it's cold season. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!